Hello, in this part we are going to take a look at another branch example. Okay, and this one is about converting to C. Okay, so we are going to take a look at this one. Let's have this assembly code here, okay, that was generated. Okay, so here we are going to be writing the equivalent C code, okay, for this function, okay, assuming all parameters and return values are unassigned values. Okay, so we are going to do it. Okay, so starting with the C function prototype from the first answer we had, and the conditional blocks, okay, in the second answer we had in the second example, okay, that we looked at previously. Okay, we can put together a pseudocode function, okay, without a variable declarations, okay, or return or a return value. Okay, so let's take a look at that. So we can have something like this. So let me bring it here so that you can see it. Let me bring it there. Okay, so it's right here, and as you can see, unassigned int, okay, unassigned int cdecl, and then my function, and then we can have unassigned values of parameters, okay, of our parameters. Okay, and here we have if blocks, okay, right here. So now we just need to create a variable to store the value from EAX, which we will call A, and we will declare, okay, as we will declare as a register type. Okay, so let's take a look at this one here. Another version, it's right here. Okay, as you can see, unassigned int cdecl, and then some parameters, and then we register unassigned int a equals to 0. Okay, and then we start using it in our if blocks like that. Okay, so granted, this function isn't a particularly useful function, okay, but at least we know what it does. Okay, so that is it. Okay, that is it. That's the solution in this part.